si Emilio Endaya, working in Hamad International Airport as an IP. So sa church, I'm also a ministry leader sa music ministry. So ito sa the Livingstone Church. So very thankful po ako sa seminar and training na ginanap po dito sa DCU Qatar, ako saan si Sir Mark Yulo ang nagturo po sa amin na mas marami pa na pwedeng gawin about audio. So what we have before is na practice is hindi tama. So meron pang kailangan pwede pang i-improve. So yung tradition na alam namin is mali. So ito yung mas naliwanagan kami. So very thankful kami kay Sir Mark for his passion sa pagtuturo sa audio. Kaya maraming salamat, and we're hoping to see him soon and conduct more trainings about audio.